Peppercorn and the little peppers. Oh, poor baby. Somebody got himself stuck behind a fence. What's going on here, mister? Huh? What's going on in there? Did your mama misplace you again? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, so wiggly. His mama misplaces him a few times today. Okay. And somebody's licking my thigh again. Well, it's not your mama, but she might actually let you have a sip. Pepper's a nice girl, usually. He's so tiny. Such a little fin. No. You gotta roll in the dirt a little bit. Baby's first adventures out to the big herd. They played most of the day. It's kind of warm for an afternoon. That's Ayla's baby. This is Pepper. There's Pablano. Cayanne on the other side, hidden by our mama. Yep, there's Cayanne. Come around the backside. There's Cayanne. I have a feeling that Ayla's baby might just sneak a sip off of the wrong mama here in a minute. Oh, there he goes. What's he doing? Oh, he got the chewies. He got chew on himself. He's a pretty little thing. Oh my goodness. Where's Mama? Where's your mama? You don't know? These babies are all registerable. My understanding anyways. Their daddy is a full-bred Nige. And his mama is a miniature miniature Ligurian, pardon me. She's Ligurian, which is a Nigerian dwarf crossed with a La Mancha. Or mini La Mancha, but she has ears, so she's Ligurian. And Pepper is Nigerian dwarf with Kinder. So her babies, she is registerable, and her babies definitely are. I've got the papers for her baby's daddy, so they're registerable as minis. All these boys are registerable as minis. So. Okay. I'm gonna sit on my stump. And Pepper's being pretty nice about it. Because her babies are only a day difference in age. She's been worried about him off and on all day. She calls me and lets me know that Ayla has parked him somewhere and he's not saying where his mama had parked him, and she has me put him in with her babies. But I think it's about time for everybody to go up to their respective bed areas. Huh, Cayanne? It's time to go in. Because it's almost time for my dinner time. Oh, poor baby boy. And Mama needs to come get him. I think it's time for his mama to come get him. And here's this handsome Cayanne. And there's Pablano. I said he's got the one patch on his head and just a little bitty white spot that's like right under, I think it's that front leg. And then we have this little bitty boy who's just pretty. Yeah, he's such a pretty little guy. And there's Pepper having to say about something with her two little guys. Oh, Pepper, you got lots to say. You ready to go up to your area? They're so cute. These guys aren't bouncing as much as they were earlier, but it's really hot outside right now, so could be why we're not bouncing. He's gonna go over and play with them again. Ah, yes. And she's calling him over to the shade. She wants him in the shade. She's a good mama. Pepper's a really good mama. She's shiny. Her babies have really shiny coats too. Very shiny. Very shiny goats. Wow. Are you, the bugs bothering you? She said there was a fly or something there. It made me mad. Flies make her mad. Let's go inside the house. Come on. We dumped a bucket of water over in here, so I was letting it dry out before I put more bedding back down. You get flies in here. Hang a fly strip. Okay. Do you think it's time? You ready to go up to your area? You guys can't stay in here tonight. Nope. Too young. Until I fix the door better. You guys are too young. Anyways, this is today's. Say hello, Cayanne. Hi, Cayanne. Say hello. Hey, Cayanne. Hi. He's my buddy already. He's already determined he's my buddy. There we go. We're bouncing. Get me in the shade. Woo, there we go. Pepper, you've been such a good mama. Yeah. Little Naja babies. Yeah. Some little bucklings. Some little bucklings. Pepper. We gave her a popsicle. Hi, Pablano. Hi, Cayanne. Hi, oh, Cayanne. Oh, yes, I like. He says, I like to be friendly. Watch this. See if I can do it. Hey. You gonna pet yourself? Huh? You gonna pet yourself? Pet yourself. Oh, yes. Such a tiny little thing. Give you an idea how little they are. That's my hand. Right on him. Yes. Come here. Come Come here, come here, come here. I got him, Mama. Yes. Okay, we're going to turn around here for a second. Oops, my hand's over the camera. Of course. That's Cayanne. That's my Cayanne friend. He says I'm cute. Huh, hi Cayanne. You people, and I did just how little you are. Just a tiny little friend. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. He's all. There we go. I love when they bounce. I love it when the babies bounce. Yeah. Debating whether I should milk her and make some cheese with her goat milk. Haven't tried peppers. But, yeah. Anyhow. Oh, hi there, mini man. Yeah. Such pretty colors. You're such a pretty color. It's just the prettiest little silverish color. Can't really see it in my video too well, but he's like silver brown. He's pretty, boy. Pretty colors. He's silver. Get a really good color out. Can't really see. He's silver. I think that's what. He's the color they call silver for whatever reason. It looks brown to me, but it's considered silver. It looks really brown in this video. So, anyways, yeah. I'm going to put him into this trailer. He's getting wobbly. Anyways, that's today's video. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button. You'll see when we post our video each day. Meantime, have a really good night, and have an awesome day tomorrow.